subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this problem, the given function is continuous at x equal to pi by 6 and we have to find f of pi by 6. The question is, if f of x is equal to 1 minus root 3 into tan x whole thing divided by pi minus 6x, comma, for x not equal to pi by 6 is continuous at x equal to pi by 6, comma, find f of pi by 6. Now let's see the solution. First of all, given the function is continuous at x equal to pi by 6. Therefore, by using definition of continuity, we have limit x tends to pi by 6, f of x is equal to f of pi by 6. Therefore, limit x tends to pi by 6. Now x tends to pi by 6 means x not equal to pi by 6, and at that time f of x is defined as 1 minus root 3 into tan x upon pi minus 6x. Is equal to f of pi by 6. Now here, to solve the limit part, we have to use trigonometric limit formula, which can be stated as limit x tends to 0 tan of x upon x is equal to 1. Now here, for tangent function, the limit should be 0. In present case, the given limit is x tends to pi by 6. It means here we have to put x equal to pi by 6 plus h. As x tend to pi by 6 and at the same time h tend to 0. So the next step will be limit h tend to 0 1 minus root 3 into tan of, whenever x we have to write pi by 6 plus h bracket complete, whole thing divided by pi minus 6 in bracket pi by 6 plus h, and that equal to f of pi by 6, which is our question. Therefore, limit h tends to 0 1 minus root 3 into, now tan of pi by 6 plus h, so here we have to use tan of a plus b formula for trigonometry, so which gives us tan of a plus tan of b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. So in present case, a represent pi by 6 and b represent h. So we have in bracket tan of pi by 6 plus tan of h whole thing divided by 1 minus tan of pi by 6 into tan of h, bracket complete, then upon pi minus. Now here minus 6 into pi by 6, so 6 cancel from numerator and denominator, so we get only minus pi, then minus 6 into h which gives us minus 6h, and that equal to finally f of pi by 6. Therefore limit h tends to 0. Now here 1 can be written as 1 upon 1 minus root 3 in bracket. Now tan pi by 6 means tan 30 degree, which gives us 1 upon root 3 plus second term tan h we write as it is, divide by 1 minus again tan pi by 6, that is 1 by root 3 into tan h, bracket complete, and then whole thing divided by, now in the denominator we cancel plus pi minus pi, so remaining term is minus 6h in the denominator, and that equal to f of pi by 6. Therefore limit h tends to 0, 1 upon 1 minus, now in the numerator we have to multiply bracket by root 3, so root 3 into 1 by root 3 which gives us 1 plus root 3 into tan h, and then upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 into tan h, and whole thing divided by minus 6h in the denominator, and that gives f of pi by 6. So now in numerator we go for cross multiply, so the next step will be limit h tends to 0, 1 into 1 minus 1 by root 3 tan h, then we get minus 1, then minus root 3 tan h, then whole thing divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 into tan h in one bracket into minus 6h in second bracket, and that equal to f of pi by 6. Now here we cancel plus 1 and minus 1 in the numerator. So the next step will be limit h tends to 0. In the numerator we have minus 1 by root 3 tan h into minus root 3 tan h, whole thing divided by minus 6h into 1 minus 1 by root 3 tan h, bracket complete, is equal to f of pi by 6. Limit h tends to 0. We take minus tan h common. So in bracket we have 1 upon root 3 plus root 3 whole thing divided by minus 6h into 1 minus 1 by root 3 into tan h in the denominator is equal to f of pi by 6. Now here we cancel minus sign from numerator and denominator and rearranging the terms. So we have limit h tends to 0 tan h upon h in the numerator, then 1 by root 3 plus root 3 on cross multiplying we get 1 plus 3 upon root 3 in the numerator upon 6 into limit h tends to 0 1 minus 1 by root 3 into tan h in the denominator, and that equal to f of pi by 6. Therefore, now limit h tends to 0 tan h upon h, that gives 1 into 1 plus 3 4 upon root 3 upon 6 into bracket 1 minus 1 by root 3 into, now tan 0 gives us 0, and that equal to f of pi by 6. So in this way we get totally 4 upon root 3 in the numerator upon 6 into 1 in the denominator, and that equal to f of pi by 6. So now here we go for cancellation, that 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So finally we have f of pi by 6 is equal to 2 upon root 3 into 3, which gives 3 root 3. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.